footsteps of those before them, igniting a new beginning. 6 fresh faces off to a fresh start for themselves and Iowa Western.
We simulated 3 different types of fire attacks. We simulated a at-grade fire attack, a low-grade or basement fire, and then we did a long hose haul fire attack.
Beaver Country Attack's a brand new program for emergency medical technicians, or EMTs, as well as future firefighters.
What we're trying to do is kind of steer them in the right direction, kind of walk, crawl, walk, run. They've had some questions, but basically I'm trying to set them up to succeed a little bit early on.
So you're just making a stack, a single stack, all right? Go to your one side, and you just keep looping. You're gonna pick it up on your right hand shoulder, nozzle to the chest, and then you just move with it, okay?
Pull that in tight. Pull it tight.
Physically demanding, so it's just a lot of work, moving hose and crawling up stairs. It gets dark too.
A little more respect for firefighters?
Heck yeah, lots of respect for them.
Kitchen fire prop, the rollover prop, you get some eyes that are kind of wide open, but that's the first chance they've ever got to really go in and see real fire.
When we were coming down the stairs, hauling all the hose, that was heavy, a lot of work, so that was kind of one of them.
Step out, slide, step out, slide.
It's not what people think, is it?
No, not at all.
It's gonna get a little herky on you. Cool? All right.
I could do a lot more than I thought I could. It helped a lot.
The moon's the goal, so we're going to shoot for everything, and we want to build out a program that teaches people to come in and be firefighters and paramedics.
It is truly a baptism by fire. The brand new EMT and Fire Science Diploma at Iowa Western. All wet in its first year. The heat is on, and when it's out, everybody wins.
Let's forward. Get back.